Xbox 360. Let's do the unboxing for today's vacation because we arrived at the house again, so I need to keep entertained. Here we have the 360. Come on. Look, with all the stickers and stuff. You should just do that whenever you get something new. Just stick the stickers onto the to the box. That was the top of the box. Let's go on to the, well, bottom part. The game. You can see what they did here. They just bent it over. Would you look at that? The original packaging together with all of the papers. I of course got this. Then we got whatever the heck this is. Also a headset and an Ethernet cable. The controllers are in another box. Just like that. It works. And we are going to... Since the store shut down, I'm probably not going to be connecting it to the internet. And we're just going to go put this back together again. And that's the 360 Elite in box.